Hello, hi. I am Mohammad Soud your project management teacher as well as consultant, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe the channel and like it. Today, I'll be discussing about how I planned, managed, and executed a 5 megawatt solar project. I just want you guys to learn from my experience. So there were phases in which the project was distributed. The first phase was project initiation and feasibility assessment. In that phase, we conducted a feasibility assessment by hiring a consultant, and that consultant came to the plant and evaluated the land area, and so that he could tell us how many solar panels will be installed here. After evaluating the total solar panels, he shared the irradiance level and the also the environmental factors, so that you we can take the regulatory and complete the regulatory and requirements. Second phase was creating a project scope with the objectives, clear objectives. So we define the scope, and after evaluating the land and our budget, we came to know and we assessed that we'll be installing a 5 megawatt solar project. Okay, so our target capacity will be 5 megawatt. We set the clear project objectives so that we can generate the desired or specified amount and meet the sustainability goals. Then one of the important factor was stakeholder engagement. We identified and engaged the key stakeholders in the project, such as the utility companies, the investors, the local authorities. We discuss the project benefits with them and the potential concerns, okay, so that we can obtain the approvals and permits. We then did a detailed resource assessment. So, how many labor will be used? What will the project team? Okay, see, these were the factors. Then we engaged the design and engineering team. We collaborated with them. I, as a project manager, collaborated with our local team, the design team, and we planned the positioning of the solar panels. Okay, considering factors that the sun orientation, what would be the sun orientation, the shadow casting, the interconnection requirements, and we select the appropriate solar panels of 565 watts. We purchased the solar panels. The progress project was an EPC project, so the vendor who was mobilized provided the solar panels. We installed the solar panels of Jinko. Okay, that's a Chinese company, and the solar panels were monochrome. We installed around 9,000 solar panels, 18 inverters, along with the interconnection cabling. All the project costed us around 400 million PKR. As a project manager, one of the important duty was to prepare a project schedule. So I prepared a detailed, comprehensive project plan, starting from the civil works, then the mechanical installation of equipment such as transformers, LV panels, MV panels, uh, or the solar panels, the inverters. Then the electrical part came, in which I shared the interconnection of cabling, the termination of cable schedule, the energization and commissioning. Total project was around 9 months. Okay, that consists of execution plus commissioning. In the construction and installation phase, I make sure that we do adherence to the design specification and safety standards. I coordinated with the contractors, the construction team. I monitor their progress. And Alhamdulillah, within the 9 months of time frame, we were able to commission the solar project, and we are now giving power of 2 megawatt to the grid. All the necessary approvals, certifications were taken preemptly, and I can surely say that I was able to successfully commission the solar project. So, in this presentation, I wanted to highlight the major role of project management team. So, if the organization did not have the project management team, they did not have the vision to break down into phases and complete it timely. So, I hope you like this video. If you want to see further videos like this, please leave a feedback. Stay blessed. Take care. Bye.